Good morning, Ma'am. Today, we will be presenting to you our business plan. The EJC Pharmacy is the name of our business, and my team members are Eloisa Ivy Calban and Maria Carla T. Zamora. For our table of contents, first we have our business description, and under that, we have our mission, vision, and organizational chart. Second is the market research and analysis. And under that, we have the information of our target market and the information of our competitors. Next is the pricing analysis. Next is the customer profiling, competitive analysis, marketing goals and objectives, marketing strategies, marketing method, marketing budget, and under marketing budget, we have the revenue and cost drivers, and next is the capital requirements and use of funds. Success measurements, and under success measurements, we have our financial forecast, and last is the curriculum vitae or our profile.
Business description. The EJC Pharmacy is located in Carrigsway, Tuguegarao City. It offers a diverse selection of branded and generic pharmaceuticals and other essential customer needs. It aims to be a pharmacy that provides exceptional service and convenient access to local residents. This pharmacy is open 24/7, generic OTC and prescription pharmaceuticals, branded OTC and prescription drugs, and basic consumer needs such as self-care products are among the products and services offered by EJC Pharmacy. The EJC Pharmacy is exactly what Tuguegarao City needs and deserves. Mission. The EJC Pharmacy mission is to give the best pricing for prescription and OTC medications and to improve our customers' lives by providing quality products and advice to fulfill their needs. We will serve them by providing innovative and high-quality health and pharmacy services that are safe, inexpensive, and convenient to use, exceeding our customers' expectations. Vision. The vision of EJC Pharmacy is to be the most trusted pharmacy in town by constantly providing high-quality products and services and advice that may help our customers live a better lives. Organizational chart. Eloisa V. Calvan, pharmacist in charge. She is in charge of the EJC Pharmacist's daily activities, using her management and leadership skills to improve the services we can deliver to the community so that the best health outcomes can be achieved for those that matter the most, which is our customers. J. Ben Zandra Elenita Pinarag, Pharmacist and Operations Manager. She always evaluates and implements new strategies in the EJC Pharmacist operation. She ensures that the business runs smoothly and efficiently with a keen eye for detailed experience in effective organization and implementation. Maria Carla T. Zamora, Pharmacist and Marketing Manager, to ensure an effective way of providing high-quality products and the progression of our business, we must establish a presence and make our pharmacy name known. She recognizes the value of successful marketing and is constantly looking for new methods to improve and promote the EJC Pharmacy's public image. Market research and analysis. Target market. The EJC Pharmacy serves a wide range of customers and concentrates on supplying prescription and over-the-counter pharmaceuticals to all Tuguegarao City citizens. The population of people in Tuguegarao City who requires pharmaceuticals to improve their health and wellness and maintain a high quality of life is our target market. Every day, the EJC Pharmacy will be able to offer local citizens convenient and easy to access prescription and OTC medications. Every day, almost 60% of Filipinos use at least one prescription or over-the-counter drug. This means that half of Tuguegarao City's population is on one at least prescription or over-the-counter drug. Our target clients includes both men and women. 5.68% are between the ages of 18 and 24. 9.22% are between the ages of 25 and 34. 17.80% are between the ages of 35 and 44. And 23.9% are between the ages of 45 and 54. are senior folks who are the most frequent customers of EJC Pharmacy. The demand for drugs is only going to grow as the population grows older. Although the target market appears to be successful and EJC Pharmacy intends to gain a significant market share, there are a number of sensitivity issues that EJC Pharmacy must address in order to assure the business continued success. Due to the aging population, the pandemic, and growing need for prescription and over-the-counter pharmaceuticals, Tuguegarao City is in critical need of a pharmacy. Despite the fact that obtaining medication is currently tough for Tuguegarao City, these individuals are likely to have pharmacy that they use. It can be difficult for individuals to change from what they are used to, even if the effort will be worth it in the end. As a result, the AGC Pharmacy must prioritize customer comfort, safety, and dependability. The business works hard to ensure that every customer is satisfied with their smile. Competitors: the Mercury Drugstore, the Generic Pharmacy or TGP, and the Generic Drugstore are our main competitors. Identifying competitors is beneficial to AGC Pharmacy personnel because it allows us to compare ourselves to other pharmacies. Price, community environment, facilities, public relations, and special services are all factors to consider. Customers frequently use businesses with the most reasonable costs. Pricing is provided. The community environment is important because any pharmacy should prioritize welcoming clients and offering care beyond prescriptions. Facilities are included in the analysis because they are ideal for establishing good first impression and simplifying the production strategy. The importance of creating relationships among communities is examined in public relations because the target market is centered on the elderly and satisfying the requirements. Special services are added, which is necessary for a local pharmacy in a rural town to survive. Potential new competitors in Tuguegarao City will face entry barriers. Our pharmacy, as well as the other pharmacies in the neighborhood, has completely observed our target market. With a population of 166,334, there is a large demand for a large number of pharmacies. Because there is a limited property available for purchase, location is an additional barrier. Because EJC Pharmacy is located in a business area, it would be a convenient site for residents in the surrounding area. Future pharmacies will have a tough time finding staff because EJC Pharmacy now employs everyone with the required qualifications in the area. Pricing analysis: we choose Unilab as our supplier because their products are worth buying for and very affordable. In addition to being the Philippines' biggest pharmaceutical and healthcare goods producer and distributor, it is also a great company with great advantages and a work atmosphere that is very Filipino in culture. Unilab believes that all consumers deserve high quality products and services at all times. As a result, Unilab maintains the highest quality standard across its supply chain, from raw material sourcing to manufacture and distribution, to assure the safety and efficacy of its goods on a consistent basis. Unilab has been acknowledged by a number of reputable professional organizations for its passion and dedication to raising standards in the Philippine pharmaceutical industry. One of the company's top concerns is quality. That is, they ensure that the facilities go above and beyond compliance when it comes to quality control in order to assure us that our products are constantly safe and effective. They work hard to fulfill their promise of quality to us, from research and development to manufacturing and even description of their items to our location. Because when it comes to the goods that our customers take, they want Unilove to deliver on our promise of quality, efficacy, reliability, and affordable branded generics.
Next is our customer profiling. The EJC Pharmacy will serve the residents and the people working in Tuguegarao City and its surrounding areas. Our service area is quite diverse. The following are the demographics of the town where our location is located. So the first table is the total population of Tuguegarao City, and the second table is the target population by age group of Tuguegarao City. For our customer segmentation, we will primarily target the following three customer segments. First is the families. The community has a big number of families who require prescriptions and vitamin supplements on a regular basis. Second is the hospital and patients. Some hospitals are close to the drugstore. This will make it easier for people to obtain the medications that their doctors have prescribed. Third is the local office workers. There are roughly 10,000 people who work in offices within a half mile of our location, and we expect a significant number of them to visit us during the morning and lunch hours. Competitive analysis. For our first competitor, which is the Mercury Drug is more than just a pharmacy. It is the country's most trusted and caring health and wellness partner, offering the widest selection of branded and generic medicines, as well as a complete line of healthcare and personal care products, including medical devices and basic daily necessities. Mercury Drug has expanded store after store around the Philippines over the years to make medicines more accessible to its customers. It has since expanded into a statewide network of over 1,200 stores with over 15,000 personnel who are constantly trained in product knowledge and customer care. Second competitor is the generic pharmacy or the TGP. In 1949, the generic pharmacy began as a modest pharmaceutical company known as Pacific Insular Company. Recognizing the urgent need for high-quality medicines at low prices, the company shifted its attention to generic drugs to give Filipinos with more inexpensive options. Our third competitor is the Generica Drugstore. The Generica Drugstore was established with the goal of empowering Filipinos by offering them with high-quality, low-cost generic medications. Generica became the pioneer champion for quality generic pharmaceuticals in the pharma retail industry when it launched its first drugstore in Montilano, Muntinlupa City in 2004. It has had a beneficial impact on the lives of many Filipinos since then and has garnered various honors in recognition of its positive contribution to the promotion of Filipino health and well-being. For our competitive advantage, our location. The AJC's location is at the center of town, giving us access to customers such as local office workers and passers-by going to local shop. Next is the great service. This store will provide home delivery and pickup services, expanding our market reach even further. The personnel will also be trained to respond to a customer's request as quickly as feasible and in a convenient manner. And third is the management. Our management team has years of business and marketing experience that allows us to market to and serve customers in a much more sophisticated manner than our competitors. Next is the marketing goals and objectives. The EJC Pharmacy goals and objectives are the following. First is to develop long-lasting relationships with local customers while providing exceptional customer service. Contribute to public health and wellness through community health education programs, free vaccination clinics, and collaboration with local healthcare practitioners, among other activities. Increase customer loyalty by focusing on the demands of our target market. Exceed our customer expectations with great pricing. Annually increase the number of customers by more than 30%. a double-digit growth rate for the first 3 years.
Marketing strategies. The EJC Pharmacy will use advertisements to communicate the message to our customers. Advertisement will be put in various locations depending on the target audience we are attempting to attract. Advertisements will be placed across Tuguegarao City in order to reach out to walk-in customers. The walk-in customers will be targeted through advertisements in the local paper. The mail order customers will be targeted through a marketing campaign in magazines and newsletters. Marketing methods, promotion strategy. Individuals working and or living near its location, the EJC pharmacy are expected to be its target market. To reach these people, the pharmacy promotion approach includes local publications. A large promotion effort will be made through community newspapers, school publications, youth sport program, and other comparable outlets. Community events or organization. The EJC Pharmacy will advertise itself by handling our flyers and attending local community events such as school fairs, festivals, homeowner associations, and athletic activities. Commuter advertising. We will hire people to carry placards near hospitals and in areas where the area a lot of people to draw attentions to the EJC pharmacy. Customer loyalty programs. The EJC pharmacy will develop a successful customers loyalty program to keep its most loyal customers coming back. Ongoing customers communications. The EJC pharmacy will have a website and weekly flyers with the most up-to-date promotions and events. Marketing budgets, revenue and cost drivers. Prescriptions and other things sold at the pharmacy will be the primary source of revenue for the EJC pharmacy. The cost of goods sold and labor expenses are the primary cost drivers for pharmacies, as they are for the most businesses. The following are the primary cost drivers for the pharmacy operations: cost of goods sold, salaries, and lease.
Capital requirements and use of funds. EJC Pharmacy is looking for a total of 1,500,000 pesos in loan capital to get started. The money will go toward capital expenditures and location build-out, as well as initial personnel hires, marketing costs, and working capital. Specifically, these funds will be used as follows: store design or build for the total of 500,000 pesos, inventory for 200,000 pesos, working capital for 650,000 pesos to pay for marketing, salaries, and lease costs until EJC Pharmacy is cash flow positive, and other expenses for total of 150,000 pesos.
Success measurements. We must evaluate all of the different factors that our target locations may encounter when establishing strategies to make our business strategy effective. The EJC pharmacy used two different strategies: walk-in and mail order. Because of the existing situation, we decided to use mail order. Because residents are unable to walk outdoors due to the pandemic, which makes mail order a successful strategic plan since instead of people going outside, they can simply order through the mail or online. We also choose walk-in as a strategic plan because not everyone can operate a smartphone or computer, so those customers can just go to the store. The EJC pharmacy is uniquely qualified to succeed because the area of our pharmacy is really in need of a pharmacy. Our location is in a high volume population and business district and will thus be highly convenient to significant numbers of passers by each day. Our management team has a track record of a success in business. The pharmacy business has a positive track and has succeeded in communities throughout the Philippines. We satisfy our customers so they will return to our pharmacy again and again. We maintain low overhead and operating costs. We provide better prices than all our competitors. Final forecast. So this is the AJC Pharmacy total sales, gross margin, and net profit for 3 years.
Lastly is the curriculum vitae or profile of the employees. That would be all. Thank you.